How to add indicator on TradingView on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. In TradingView, an indicator refers to the technical analysis tools which is used by traders to analyze the market data and make trading decisions. These indicators are mathematical calculations based on historical price, volume, or other market data points. This can help traders identify the trends, momentum, volatility, and potential reversible points in the market. TradingView offers a wide range of built-in indicators as well as ability for users to create and customize it. Some of them are trend indicators, momentum indicators, volatility indicators, and volume indicators. For opening or adding it on your TradingView, you have to open your TradingView, and on the top you will see an icon written as indicator. If you tap open it, you will see another tab consisting the list of all the scripts and the indicators available. In order to enable or add any of them, you just have to tap open on it, for example 24 hours volume, and it will be added to the chart. You can do the same for any built-in indicator in the list. And as simply as that, you have added indicators into your TradingView on your Windows 11. For more indicators and more trading possibilities, you can even buy the subscriptions to the TradingView. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.